Ajam, let's recreate Sunakshi's reception look. I think this is a perfect battle. Glam, bold wing with the nude lips. I just love her glam, so I had to recreate it. मेरे पास same outfit नहीं है, but थोड़ा बहुत जुगाड़ कर करके similar look में लेके आई हूँ. So चलो, let's get it started. For primer, I'm using this magic drop from Flirza. This keeps your makeup sweat proof and waterproof and also mattifies because I don't see her skin being super glossy. So this is going to be a perfect primer. And for base, मैं ये tier का foundation use कर रही हूँ because this looks like skin but it covers up pretty much everything. I'm going to use a cream bronzer because I do see that she has some contour going on and this would look so natural. It melts in really nice. I'm going to use my favorite Huda Beauty blush. Now for concealer, I'm going to pick something that is full coverage and doesn't crease a lot. I'm just using a tiniest amount here and here. And this one is from Pack Cosmetics. This is full coverage. Look at the coverage. I love this. Now everything looks so nice and blended out. I'm going to use a Charlotte Tilbury powder under my eyes. I'm going to use a shimmery bronze blush. It's just going to add a perfect amount of highlight without using a lot of highlight. I'm just going to use bronzer on my eyes. I'm going to use my favorite waterproof liner. This one is one size. I love the precision. It gives you a perfect wing every time. I'm going to add some false lash. On the lower lash, I'm only using bronzer, and looking at her pictures, it doesn't look like she has any kind of brown liner or black liner. So I'm just going to do this. Lips, just use a brown lip liner. Currently, I've been using this non-stop. This one's from Paralgrug Beauty in shade Adore Me. Look how beautiful this nude is. For Sindoor, I'm going to use a Paralgrug Beauty Sindoor set. Oh, Sindoor. And this is the final look. I am in love with this look. Would you wear this look on your wedding? Let me know in the comment section.